Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a delicious tangy mutton curry recipe with Gongura leaves. This is called mutton Gongura recipe or Gongura Mamsam. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. For those who do not know what is Gongura or how Gongura leaves look like, let me show you. This is how Gongura leaves look like. They are sour in taste and slippery in texture. They come in two varieties, red stemmed and green stemmed. I only pluck the leaves and then wash it 2 to 3 times in water. Soak them for 15 minutes with a pinch of salt. To prepare the curry base, here in a mixer jar, I am going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coconut, 3 green chilies, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. Roughly grind this. The ground coconut mixture is ready. Into this, I am going to add the Gongura leaves. Squeeze out all the excess water and add the leaves into the mixer jar. Then add half cup of water. Now blend this to a smooth paste. This is how the texture of the curry base should be. Let me keep this aside and start with the next preparation. Into a pressure cooker, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add the whole spices, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 2 dry red chilies cut into half, 3 to 4 bay leaves. Now fry the whole spices for 30 seconds. Once the whole spices are fried, I am going to add thinly sliced 1 onion. Fry the onion till it begins to change its color to deep brown. When you see the onion changes its color, add the spices, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder. 500 grams of mutton, here I have taken meat on bone mutton, salt as per taste. Mix the pieces along with the spices so that they are coated well and then fry the mutton for 2 minutes on high flame. Frying the mutton well on high flame will make sure the juices are locked inside and hence keeping the mutton tender, soft and juicy. Add the ground base. Mix well. Once mixed, fry well for a minute or till you see the oil separates from the masala. Once the masala is cooked well, add half cup of water. I rinsed half cup of water in the mixer jar and then added it to the cooker. Give this a good mix. Now cover the lid and pressure cook this until the meat is completely cooked. I pressure cook for 5 whistles. Now the number of whistles would depend on the quality of the meat. Once the pressure is completely released, open the lid. A delicious mutton gongura is ready to serve. I hope you loved this delicious recipe of mine. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how did you like it by writing down in the comment section below this video. If you like this recipe, please give a like. Do consider sharing this video and also subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.